Greetings, wonderful audience. It's Ben here, your companion on another enlightening episode of Healthy Voice. Today, we're setting sail on an exploration of a topic that holds immense significance for millions across the globe, the enigmatic world of chronic kidney disease, or CKD. I invite you to settle in, get cozy, and join me in unraveling the intricacies of this condition. In the next few moments, we'll embark on a journey together, peeling back the layers of CKD to reveal its nuances and offering you a front-row seat to essential insights. This is not just a casual chat, it's an immersive experience into the heart of renal health. So, whether you're commuting, sipping your morning coffee, or simply taking a breather, let's dive into the realm of CKD. Get ready to expand your understanding, quench your curiosity, and emerge from this session armed with valuable knowledge. Stay right here with Healthy Voice, where learning meets well-being. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Always consult with a healthcare professional before taking any medicine or action. Number 1. Understanding chronic kidney disease. Delve into the intricate realm of chronic kidney disease, CKD, a persistent condition that unfolds as a gradual decline in kidney function over an extended period. Our kidneys, akin to diligent custodians of our internal environment, bear the responsibility of filtering waste and excess fluids from the blood. However, in the course of CKD, these vital organs experience a relentless erosion of their efficiency, marking a challenging journey of progressive decline. Picture the kidneys as masterful filters navigating the bloodstream to keep our internal balance in check. Yet, in the narrative of CKD, this intricate filtration process begins to wane, posing a threat to the delicate equilibrium within our bodies. Stay tuned as we navigate the complexities of chronic kidney disease, unraveling the layers that define its course and impact on our overall health. Number 2. Causes and risk factors. Unlock the secrets to chronic kidney disease, CKD, by peeling back the layers of contributing factors. Diabetes and hypertension emerge as key players in the CKD narrative alongside genetic predisposition, creating a potent trio of influences. But that's not all. Aging, smoking, and dietary choices, particularly those high in sodium and protein, join the ensemble of risk factors, further complicating the CKD landscape. Imagine these factors as puzzle pieces, each playing a role in the development and progression of CKD. Understanding this mosaic becomes paramount for prevention and effective management. So, whether it's untangling the complexities of genetic predisposition or addressing lifestyle choices, knowledge is our greatest ally in the battle against CKD. Stay with us on Healthy Voice as we unravel more layers of insight into this intricate condition, arming you with the knowledge needed for proactive prevention and management. Number 3. Stages of CKD. In the intricate realm of chronic kidney disease, CKD, understanding its progression involves categorization into stages determined by the extent of kidney damage and the glomerular filtration rate, GFR. Starting from early-stage CKD, characterized by subtle signs that may go unnoticed, to advanced stages demanding more intensive management, identifying the specific stage becomes pivotal for tailoring care to individual needs. Picture CKD staging as a compass guiding healthcare professionals in crafting personalized strategies. Each stage represents a different chapter in the CKD journey, necessitating a nuanced approach to care. Early detection allows for interventions that may slow down or mitigate progression, making the staging process a critical tool in the management of CKD. Stay tuned as we explore the nuances of CKD staging on Healthy Voice, unraveling the importance of this categorization in providing tailored care for those navigating the complexities of kidney health. Number 4. Common symptoms. In its initial phases, chronic kidney disease, CKD, may remain asymptomatic, making it challenging to detect. However, as the condition advances, distinct symptoms may emerge, signaling the need for prompt attention. Individuals may experience heightened fatigue, noticeable swelling, alterations in urine frequency, and difficulties in concentration. These indicators serve as crucial red flags, prompting individuals to seek medical intervention. Regular checkups are instrumental in the timely detection of CKD, allowing healthcare professionals to monitor kidney function and implement preventive measures. Proactive healthcare measures, including routine screenings, facilitate the identification of CKD at an early stage, enhancing the chances of effective management and mitigating the risk of complications. Consequently, fostering a proactive approach to kidney health through regular medical assessments plays a pivotal role in maintaining overall well-being and preventing the progression of chronic kidney disease. Number 5. Diagnostic tests. The diagnostic process for chronic kidney disease, CKD, is a comprehensive approach involving various tests and evaluations. Blood and urine tests play a central role in assessing kidney function and identifying any abnormalities. These tests provide valuable insights into factors such as glomerular filtration rate, GFR, and the presence of proteins or other substances in the urine, aiding in the accurate diagnosis and classification of CKD stages. Additionally, monitoring blood pressure is a crucial component of the diagnostic process, as hypertension is a common contributor to kidney damage. Evaluating risk factors such as diabetes and family history further enhances the diagnostic precision. This holistic approach enables healthcare professionals to not only diagnose CKD but also to tailor interventions based on individualized risk profiles. In essence, the comprehensive nature of CKD diagnosis ensures a thorough understanding of the patient's kidney health, facilitating the development of targeted treatment plans and proactive measures to manage and potentially slow down the progression of the disease. Regular follow-up assessments become integral in tracking changes and adjusting strategies to optimize kidney health. Number 6. Management through lifestyle changes. Embracing lifestyle changes emerges as a pivotal cornerstone in effectively navigating the intricacies of chronic kidney disease, CKD. Delving into the realm of wellness, one finds a nuanced approach encapsulating a kidney-friendly diet that transcends mere nutritional nuances. This dietary metamorphosis involves a conscientious reduction in sodium, phosphorus, and potassium intake, weaving a tapestry of wholesome nourishment. Beyond culinary adjustments, the CKD journey unfurls a path where vigilance over blood pressure assumes paramount importance. The orchestration of this health symphony also encompasses the delicate balance of managing blood sugar levels, threading a needle through the fabric of holistic well-being. A crescendo of wellness echoes through the imperative act of parting ways with smoking, an essential note in the harmonious composition of healthier living. In this intricate dance with CKD, these lifestyle modifications unfurl not just as pragmatic choices but as vibrant strokes on the canvas of vitality, guiding individuals towards a richer, more vibrant life. Number 7. Medications for CKD. Embarking on the path of managing chronic kidney disease, CKD, a palette of medications becomes an integral brushstroke in the canvas of care. Navigating this pharmaceutical landscape, healthcare practitioners may artfully prescribe medications tailored to address specific facets of CKD. A cornerstone in this medicinal symphony lies in medications meticulously designed to rein in blood pressure, orchestrating a delicate balance to safeguard renal well-being. The pharmaceutical narrative extends beyond blood pressure modulation, branching into the realm of anemia management. Here, medications stand as alchemists, endeavoring to restore the balance of red blood cells and infuse vitality into the bloodstream. Furthermore, the tapestry of CKD care involves medications adept at addressing complications that may unfurl as intricate consequences of impaired kidney function. In the artistry of CKD management, medications emerge not merely as prescriptions but as potent elixirs working in concert to sculpt a narrative of health and resilience. Each pill and potion weaves a thread in the story of renal fortitude, a testament to the commitment to nurturing well-being in the face of this intricate health tapestry. Number 8. Dialysis as a treatment option. Navigating the intricate labyrinth of chronic kidney disease, CKD, in its advanced stages unfolds a pivotal juncture where the resonance of medical intervention crescendos. When the symphony of kidney function wanes, the medical maestro may advocate the transformative cadence of dialysis. This therapeutic marvel serves as a beacon of hope, particularly when renal function undergoes a substantial decline. Dialysis, a pivotal act in the drama of CKD, unfolds in two principal acts: hemodialysis and peritoneal dialysis. In the former, the circulatory ballet commences as blood embarks on a meticulous journey through an external filter, purging the body of accumulated waste and toxins. Meanwhile, peritoneal dialysis orchestrates a more intimate performance, utilizing the body's natural membrane to facilitate this detoxifying dance within the peritoneal cavity. These dialytic choreographies, woven into the CKD narrative, step into the limelight when the kidneys falter in their cleansing role. Akin to a medical pas de deux, hemodialysis and peritoneal dialysis stand as avatars of vitality, offering a lifeline when the body's natural filtration becomes a waning melody. In this unfolding saga, dialysis isn't just a medical recourse, it's a courageous dance with health and affirmation of resilience when kidney function takes a bow. Number 9. Kidney transplantation. In the intricate ballet of chronic kidney disease, CKD, a transformative act takes center stage for those deemed eligible, the symphony of kidney transplantation. A beacon of hope, this medical odyssey unveils a prospect for renewed vitality and an augmented quality of life. Here, the choreography involves a healthy kidney sourced either from a living or deceased donor, seamlessly stepping into the limelight to replace its ailing counterpart. The living donor, akin to a benevolent protagonist, may offer this precious gift while still embodying the essence of life. Alternatively, the deceased donor's legacy endures, bestowing life even beyond their earthly journey. This orchestrated exchange of life essence transcends the mundane, heralding a new dawn for the recipient. Kidney transplantation isn't merely a surgical procedure, it's an operatic crescendo in the narrative of resilience. It affirms the triumph of hope over adversity, ushering in a chapter where the rhythms of vitality reclaim their rightful place. For those fortunate enough to partake in this medical ballet, kidney transplantation is a tapestry woven with threads of renewal, promising a future painted with the vibrant hues of restored well-being. Number 10. Importance of early intervention. In the intricate dance with chronic kidney disease, CKD, the choreography of early intervention emerges as the lead performer, stealing the spotlight in the quest for wellness. This pivotal act underscores the significance of vigilant guardianship over one's health, where the tempo of regular monitoring orchestrates a harmonious symphony against the progression of CKD. The script of proactive healthcare extends beyond observation, weaving in the adherence to prescribed medications as a crucial plotline. Each pill becomes a note in the melody of well-being, a testament to the commitment to taming the progression of this intricate health saga. Meanwhile, lifestyle modifications add a dynamic flair to the narrative, casting a spell of transformation that can significantly impact the trajectory of the disease. In this orchestrated ballet of health, early intervention is not merely a phase, it's a bold proclamation against the inexorable march of CKD. It is a tapestry where the threads of awareness, medication adherence, and lifestyle alterations intricately interlace, crafting a story of empowerment and resilience against the backdrop of renal well-being. Congratulations, health enthusiasts! You've just navigated through a thorough expedition into the realm of chronic kidney disease. If you've uncovered valuable insights in this video, why not show some love with a thumbs up? Don't miss out on future health revelations. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay in the loop. As we part ways for now, remember, self-care is the key. Until our next rendezvous, this has been bidding farewell from Healthy Voice. Stay in the know, stay proactive, and here's to the collective well-being of those remarkable kidneys. Take care and see you on the flip side.